Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Sudah pas untukmu, Kevin. Pakai peralatan pelindung dan kau siap bersepeda. Terima kasih.
Well, then race for me. Tax. Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race for...
The manufacturer, you're alive! You buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done, you're in.
Serving beautiful V6 Valley since 19...
It goes to St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Lihat ini, bagus kan? Lani, aku memberikan ini padamu sebagai...
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Dan ingatlah, yang paling penting adalah tetap tenang. Karena dengan begitu, semuanya akan...
I hereby dub thee Sir.
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
Un momento. Esos no son faros. Son tubos de escape.
To change it. It's futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
Really?
Confetti! Ow! Ow! Easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. Oh, man. There we go.
Lahan parkir tuanya sudah sangat bersih.
Ada membersihkannya.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Round Willie's Butte and come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting.
Sure. Let's make it a road trip. We'll take Matt. We'll relax.
Luigi?
Looks like we got some work to do.
To see you.
You too, buddy. Oh, man, you ain't gonna believe the things I...
Need to return to the steamworks first thing in the morning and get yourself repainted with some proper green.
Just relax with this, McQueen. It's really getting him into the zone.
So...
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven.
Go
It is very sad. I will.
Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go.
Man! No. He's obviously an imposter. He looks old and broken down.
Hey!
And with flabby tires.
I do not.
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jumping now, man.
Order in the court.
Seems like my mind has been changed.
Axle rod. I'm sorry to interrupt. No, it's all right. I just wanted to come down here and to personally.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember.